Hello students, I am Anita Singh, Faculty of Social Science at SRN International School. Today I'll discuss the topic map and globe. In this topic, we will cover the continents, the oceans, shape of the earth, globe, map, types of maps, language of maps. Let's start with the topic. As you know that the Earth is the only planet in our solar system that supports life, as it has air and water. Our Earth has land masses and water bodies. The continents, large land masses. The huge land masses are called continent and the large water bodies are called oceans. There are seven continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, and Australia. Asia is the largest and Australia is the smallest continent. Let's discuss about large water bodies. There are five oceans. They are the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, or Southern Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean, which separates North and South America from Europe and Africa. As you know, with the help of a globe, we can study about the whole planet Earth. So let's discuss about it. Long ago, it was believed that the Earth was flat. Ferdinand Magellan and Copernicus proved that the Earth was not flat, its surface spherical in shape. A globe is a model of the Earth. It shows the shape, size, and location of the continents and water bodies, and also helps us to understand the Earth's movements on its axis and around the Sun. Globe has many advantages. It has certain disadvantages too. A globe shows only one side of the earth at one time and it cannot be carried easily from one place to another. As you know that globe has certain disadvantages, that's why people started map making, and this art of map making is known as cartography, and person who makes map known as cartographer. Let's know about map in detail. A map is a true representation of the Earth's surface or parts of it on a flat surface. A book of maps is called an atlas. Maps show continents, countries, cities, neighborhoods, and even marketplaces. Maps too have their disadvantages. The earth is shaped like a sphere, hence the shape of the earth's surface is curved. A curved surface cannot be shown accurately on a paper as it has a flat surface. A map cannot be as accurate as a globe, but maps show more details, especially when a small area is being mapped. Now, let's talk about types of maps. First is political map. These maps show political boundaries of countries, states, cities, and other political divisions. Second is physical maps. These maps show physical features like mountains, valleys, plains, plateaus, rivers, and other water bodies. Third is thematic maps. Thematic maps show crops grown, minerals found in various places, rainfall in different areas, industries, population, soil, natural resources, forest, and wildlife. Every map has language. With the help of language, we can draw and read a map. Let's know about these in detail. First is directions. There are four main directions: north, south, east and west. These are four, there are four sub-directions also: north, northeast, southeast, northwest, southwest. Scale: the ratio between actual distance between two places on the ground and the distance between on them on the map is known as the scale of the map. Distance. Distance on a map can be measured with the help of a linear scale. Colors also equally important in map making. Maps show many colors. Each color shows a particular thing on a map. Now, symbols. Symbols are symbols on every map has a key. This key consists of symbols as colors used in map and what they depict. Maps are very useful to depict area in detail and also the various physical and human-made features that help us to know more about places. Dear students, if you like the video, kindly like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.